Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can turn off shuffle play on Spotify. Now shuffle play basically means it's going to play random music inside of like a certain playlist. I'm going to explain what that is later more, but first let me show you how to turn it off. First you want to go inside the playlist where you want to turn off the shuffle play. So as you guys can see, you can see two arrows pointing at the right side and it is green. So when it is green, it basically means that it is on. So to turn it off, I just need to click on it once and it will be grayed out. Once it's grayed out, then basically done. The Spotify shuffle play has been turned off. That is how you guys can turn off Spotify shuffle play. And if your shuffle play is on, then it's going to play random music inside of your Spotify playlist. So if my shuffle play was on, after the music Ghost is finished, it's going to play another random music from this playlist. It's not going to play, all girls are the same. But if it is off, it's going to go line by line in ascending order. From Ghost to All Girls Are the Same, from that to Break My Heart Again to Lose to You. Just like that, it's going to start going down this list. But with shuffle play, it's going to play random music. That's how we guys can turn off shuffle play. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.